Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade solution specifically designed for Dell PowerEdge servers. The ATEX 64GB DDR4 2133 MHz ECC ReDIMM kit. This kit comes with 4 16GB modules, and it's built to breathe new life into a range of PowerEdge models, including the FC640, M830, R530, R540, R630, R740, R830, R840, T430, and T640. For those unfamiliar, ECC registered DIMMs are crucial for server environments. The ECC, or error correcting code, helps detect and correct memory errors on the fly, preventing crashes and ensuring data integrity. The registered aspect adds stability, especially when you're populating multiple memory slots. The ATEX kit operates at a frequency of 2133 MHz, adhering to the PC4-17000 standard. While it might not be the fastest DDR4 available today, it's perfectly suited for the specified PowerEdge servers, ensuring compatibility and reliable performance. It's also built to the JEDEC DDR4 standard, operating at a safe 1.2V, which helps keep temperatures down and power consumption in check. One of the most significant benefits of upgrading your server's memory is the immediate performance boost you'll experience. More RAM means your server can handle more virtual machines, larger databases, and more concurrent users without breaking a sweat. This ATEX kit, bringing you up to 64 gigabytes, can make a noticeable difference, especially if you're currently running on a smaller memory footprint. Installation is designed to be straightforward. ATEX emphasizes that it's a quick and easy process you can do at home. Of course, always refer to your server's manual for the correct procedure and memory channel configurations. But generally, it involves powering down, opening the server, locating the memory slots, and carefully seating the new modules. ATEX backs its memory modules with a limited lifetime warranty, which speaks to their confidence in the product's quality and reliability. They also offer tech support, which can be a lifesaver if you run into any issues during installation or operation. In summary, the ATEX 64GB DDR4 ECC ReDIMM kit is a solid choice for upgrading the memory in your compatible Dell PowerEdge server. It offers a balance of performance, reliability, and ease of installation, all backed by a reputable warranty and tech support. If you're looking to boost your server's capabilities without breaking the bank, this kit is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.